What up, good people? And you bad people too. It is me, the MATTWOODS. And I have a nice array of food in front of me, y'all. These are all some ingredients that are going to go into a recipe. And that recipe is going to come from none other than Miss Kim Bay of I Rise. So hopefully she can rise to the occasion, y'all, and give us some tips on what to do with this array of food that I have in front of me. And we got the split green peas or the green split peas, however you want to arrange that. We also got some lentils, some chickpeas, aka garbanzo beans, and some quinoa. And although all of these could probably go together into one big dish, we're gonna ask Kim that she focuses on the chickpeas, y'all. So what can we do with these chickpeas that's inclusive of any of these ingredients up here, y'all? From the ginger, to the onion, to the carrots, coconut milk, evaporated milk, green beans, tuna, whatever that is, y'all. Pineapple chunks, vegetarian beans, diced tomatoes, black beans, corn, little oyster sauce, liquid smoke, black pepper, garlic powder, cumin, curry powder, smoked paprika, cinnamon, ground allspice, and chili powder, y'all. So all right, Miss Kim Bay, it's all on you now. You gotta tell us, what can we do? What can we hook up? And yeah, we want something simple, because it'd be busy out in these streets these days. People running from this to that to this, including myself. That's why I'm, doing this little segment, y'all. Because I need some help. I need some help in the kitchen. I need some e-help, some virtual help. Can you dig it? And Kim, are you the one? Are you the one to help? Let us know. What can we do? Peace.
This is Scott Fain with Wild Food in Youngstown, here today for our Ask a Cook segment. I'm here with Kim Bay. How are you doing today, Kim?
Hey, Scott, I'm great. How are you?
I am doing much better today. I will say
Good.
much better. Alrighty. So what's the recipe that you're able to pull from this picture?
We can start with a chickpea soup or chickpea stew.
Chickpea.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I am ready. So what's the first step?
The first step will be to soak your chickpeas. Chickpeas take a little while to soak, so you're going to want to soak them for up to 8 hours. Okay, so you're going to want to rinse those. After you rinse them, after they've been soaked and rinsed, you're going to want to do 1 part of chickpeas to like maybe 2 parts of water.
Oh, in a pot, or you're taking?
In a pot.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so in a pot, 2 parts water. Okay.
Mm-hmm. And you're going to let that boil for roughly about an hour to an hour and a half. Put them as tender as possible. And then I would take the carrot. We're going to dice a carrot, at least 1 carrot. 1 small onion diced.
Okay.
And then we could do about 1/4 of a part of the quinoa. Add that in for thickening. Or even 1/4 to 1/2 a cup. We'll say that if you're going to use the whole bag, about 1/2 a cup of quinoa.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Alrighty. And so this is after. So if I'm following along, I've got my pot of water. Excuse me, my pot of chickpeas. They boiled an hour. The tenderness is right.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna take my carrot, my diced onion. What am I doing? I'm tossing it into the pot with the.
Tossing it right into the pot. Yep.
Okay.
With the quinoa, put the quinoa in as well. Quinoa
Okay.
doesn't take that long to cook.
Right.
Then you're going to add in your oil. You can add in maybe about 1 tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And then you're going to add your seasonings, your salt, your herbs, your pepper.
Okay.
Then you're gonna add in those tomatoes, like 2 cans of that those diced tomatoes will be wonderful in that dish. And then that's it. Then you're just gonna wait for it to finish cooking, and then that is the chickpea stew.
Well, thank you for the segment. I really appreciate it. This has been Scott Fain.
And Kim Bay.
Have a wonderful day. And as far as things go, don't let perfect stand in the way or be the enemy of good. Just get started. Sometimes that's all it takes, is just getting started.
Wonderful. Absolutely.
Have a wonderful day.
You too. Thanks, Scott.
Thank you. Bye.